Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to hide apps. Friends, you want to hide apps on your device. So how to hide apps today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to hide apps. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your device. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on privacy setting. Friends, you want to use app lock, you can on and you can use your app lock from here. Friends, second option, click hide apps. Friends, you want to hide app first, friends you will have to set your privacy password. Click here. Then select your privacy password, pin pattern and password. I will select guys 4-digit password and I will enter guys here 4321 4321. I may enter security question and don't forget your security question here friends. Okay friends, click here. And for which app you want to hide on your device, you can hide from your example friends. I will hide Chrome app, calendar, Facebook friends. I will hide guys file. I will hide game, FM radio, Instagram, and friends I will hide guys photos app, Snapchat, share me, and YouTube and WhatsApp guys. This app guys I will hide on my device. So friends, now you can check guys, this app will not show on my phone. Friends, you can see Facebook, you cannot see here photos file, and friends you can see YouTube is hide and WhatsApp is also hide, Instagram hide app. So friends, app will hide on your device. So like that friends, we can hide apps on our oppo phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to hide apps. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.